Hey guys, welcome to your 5th HTML tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be working with lists. Take our code from last time with the table, and you can either save this for reference later or delete it. It's nice to always save your references now because you won't think you'll need it, but you will for later on. Alright. To begin, a list is a way to organize our data to make it neater. So, to give you guys an example, you have two different types of lists. We have an organized list and then we're going to have an unorganized list. An organized list looks like this. And it's going to say, we're just going to say coffee, list item, that's what LI stands for, list item, and then organized list, end it. An unorganized list is very much like this, so copy and paste it. Except this U, this O, is changed to an U to make it stand for unorganized list. To give ourselves more difference, we're going to change these items. Let's put cupcakes and bananas. Alright. Let's give ourselves some headers. So let's do H5 organized list and unorganized list, just so we can tell in code and in our website, because the user's not going to be able to see our comments because comments are blind to the user. You see how the organized list has numbers and the unorganized list has bullet points? That's the difference between the two lists. Alright, there's more things that we can do to manipulate this code further. We can have different types of organizational things here. So in the organized list, we can say type and then give yourself a capital A. And this will change it from numbers into letters, A and B. To make them lowercase letters, type lowercase a. We can also do this with Roman characters. How we can do that is we have a capital I, and then you have, you guessed it, a lowercase I. Alright. We also have one last form of organized list that we can use, and it's called description list. How we code this is we type DL, and then we're going to say description term, and then we're going to say say Arizona. That can be a broad term, it's a state or a drink. And then we're going to say description, and then we're going to say a state or a wonderful beverage. Well, it's wonderful tea. They have a lot of tea, but they also have a lot of fruity drinks, and they're super cheap. They're like $1, so it's absolutely wonderful. So we're going to say description term, and then let's give ourselves a painting. You see, when I write my HTML code, you can see me formatting it in a way. So we know that we have a description list, or our unorganized list. And you can tell that these two are individual things, but you can tell these list items are dependent on my organized list because I've tabbed them in. And so you can sort of see in my descriptive list what is dependent on one as I continue to go on. So I suggest you don't have to code exactly like me, but develop a style that is organized, is clean and easy for others to read and for others to understand so that you can be the best coder as possible. So painting piece of material with paint put together on it in a pretty way. That is what a painting is, guys. That's DT, not DT. Alright. See that? How it bumps it all over?